What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am bringing you a new game, something really cool, something that you're going to be impressed by. Now listen to this. Before we get into how incredible this game is that I get to bring you today, this project, this crypto masterpiece, I have to give you a disclaimer, all right? I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out and do videos like this to get it on your radar. Now, let's get straight in. So guys, today we're talking about Resurgence Game, all right? It's resurgence-game.io. At the top here, you can see we've got Connect. We've got this little bar that brings up all of these, and we've got the Mint page. All right, I'm going to explain to you why you should get involved right now, but the links are down below. Only use trusted links. So what you can see here is the Genesis. Oh, right, I'm going to show you a trailer on these being made soon, but that's what's being minted. But first, I want to go into the actual philosophy of this game. It's a really cool game, right? It's a survival game where you go around your homage, you salvage stuff, you hunt, and you have fun doing it. Now, delivering the best possible gameplay experience with the AAA production values is their #1 priority. They want to build games that are accessible and bring together communities of passionate players. Now, the players are in control. The journey into the blockchain elements will be self-directed, solving the current major issue with blockchain games. They aren't fun enough, offering reasons to play far beyond the economic ones for players. This approach means players are undoubtedly invested in the game and will not only benefit from ownership, but will be truly engaged and excited by our products. I love that philosophy. Right now, going into the game premise, you got to establish your own apocalyptic Earth, hundreds of years after the cataclysmic ecological disaster. As survivors return from their cryogenic refuge to find a beautiful reborn planet in need of recolonization. So, yes, you're wandering around. Yes, the planet has been destroyed and you need to recolonize. Let's see who you're going to do it with. You can build homesteads, townships, cities, and kingdoms utilizing the resources found around to craft tools, weaponry, technology, and trade. Now, as the recolonization continues, so does the race for survival and the protection of valuable resources from raiding factions, predators, and the rise of new threat to civilization. So that's the game in a nutshell, right? You're going to be walking around trying to hunt things. Now, as seen on CoinSpeaker, CoinDesk, and Cointelegram, AMB Crypto, right? So we know this is pumping. I want to show you the roadmap before we jump into the Cairo tags, right? You can see going from 22 all the way to 25. They're going to be here for a while. They're not messing around. So we've got the End, which is the alternative reality game. We've got the Revelation Hacker Sim coming later on. Priority 1 coming between 23 and 24, the Thor and the Inferior Frontline. All right, so it's going pretty big. Now, you can see this team. I'm not going to go dive in, but we've got the CEO, Ian Hambleton, the CCO, Russ Harding, Art Director, Stephen Huckle, the CTO, Blockchain, John Frizzell, Penrose Taki, the CCO, John Atfield, CTO, Andy Frangos, the CEO, and Blake Finance, the Chief Strategy Officer. Look at what they're rocking. Do we know what these are? Let me know in the comments right now down below if you know what these are. Freaking last question at the bottom of the game. But now let's get into exactly the Mint. All right, so that's the game. You're walking around, you're salvaging stuff. It's really fun. You immerse yourself in it. And one of the things they thrive themselves off is they're removing the actual barriers, all right, to blockchain gaming. They're making their games jargon free and easy to pick up and play for anyone. All right, you simply jump straight into this, immerse yourself into this world of Resurgence without any prior knowledge of blockchain gaming, and you don't have to be a wizard, is it? Super easy, right? It's all going to be free to play, but of course you can earn crypto. Talking about the Mint now, before I show you, I actually want to show you on their Twitter. Talking about their Twitter, it is 11,500 strong. It's at Resurgence Game. Give them a follow, but let me show you this trailer. It's 45 seconds long, but I'm going to speak through it with you. This is the Mint that's happening right now that you can get involved in. If you're watching this within time, unless they all might be minted out. But it's actually the Cairo tags, dogs tags, right? They're really cool, and they are going to help deliver the best gameplay experience that we can get. All right, I'm a massive fan with this reveal. I think the detail in the actual NFTs are off the chain. I don't think I've seen one like this in a long time. I believe that this NFT project could hit some huge heights. I'm not a financial advisor like I mentioned at the start, but I'm confident enough in my abilities that I think if you get one of these, you won't be disappointed. It's the Genesis. Oh, that's the trailer looking so good. Let me know if you think this is incredible. It's already got over 1,000 views, all right? You can mint them on this page. The links are down below. It's already started. Now, there's 588 been minted already, so they're going fast. All you got to do is connect your wallet, click mint now, confirm transaction, and get your Cairo tags. Now, I want to introduce you to them. So the first series of dog tags, known as carry tags, are minted by the infamous tech billionaire Dominic Vanderbilt. They're linked to Cryopod, essentially the key to the future, which is why they're always worn. Now, they're known as Genesis O's and were created specifically for Vanderbilt's secret society of high specialized individuals. They contain special additional features and functionality, some of which are visible immediately and some that will be revealed later on as part of the story. So what will be? Exclusive in-game utility enhancements, so it's going to make the game a lot better, like I said. Airdrops of future tokens, access to private groups, whitelist and future saves, RL perks such as merchandise events, and avatar gen airdrop. Alright, I love that they can bring stuff like this. You can get them for free, you can play, but you can also NFT mint and get a bit of a better experience in this game. Now, it's all about building, joining communities, right? The important thing about this is getting in their Discord. The links are down below. Getting on their Twitter, getting all their social medias, reading their Medium blogs, and joining it and building a huge community around this. That's extremely important. I know that sometimes these projects say they're going to do a lot and they don't. But if you click on, like I said, let's go back to where it says team. If you click on their socials right here, you can actually do your own research and see all about them. Yes, if you do already, as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, all right, so we know some big people in, but just click on them. All you do is that, and it'll take you to their forms, all right? Super, super cool. Do your own research. I've researched them all, and they all have a great deal to give us in this industry. So, guys, moving on to their Discord, all right? All you got to do is just put a name that you want to be called. I'm going to call mine the Lion King, all right? Continuing through, it's going to take me to a verification process. It's probably going to ask me, you know, like how many lions are in here, how many steps are in this picture, all that kind of thing. Okay, all you've got to do is verify that you're a human. So let me click on the giraffes here. Once you get through on their Discord, all right, you're going to click complete, and that's going to verify you in there, all right? All you're going to do is agree to all their rules, all right? Click submit and click this tick down here. Now it all opens up. Super, super cool, all right? I want you to go through all the different stuff we've got in here. I love this. Get in their Discord. Let them know in the general chat here that you're from this channel and get involved. That's what I've got for you today, guys. I'm super excited that I get the opportunity to bring you incredible games like this. All right, thank you so much for joining the channel again. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I promise you, you will be notified about incredible projects as always. We've got a huge team here, and I want to give a big thanks to everyone. We've got people searching for the best projects, people reaching out, and we also have me running the show with face-to-face videos. All right, so we're doing a really good job. Please let us know in the comments if you love it. Please let us know in the comments if it wasn't for you, and that's absolutely fine. Not every video will be, but I appreciate the support. And until the next video, have a very blessed day, and I will see you there.